Welcome to the SSP tool line. Today we're going to talk about a 5-piece combination reversible dual jaw adjustable and pipe wrench. This set includes a 6-inch, an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. Ranges from a 7/8 to a 19/16. Calibrated, scaled on head determines both SAE and metric fastener size. Special reversible jaw provides the function of both an adjustable wrench and a pipe wrench. So open up that jaw, take it out, reverse it, put it back on, and you're ready to go. This also has a heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel construction, and it has a ergonomic handle that reduces hand fatigue and additional tool strength. This has a lifetime warranty, and it comes in a convenient carrying pouch.
Visit us on the web at www.supercoproducts.com or place an order with your Superco sales rep today.